I've had some people ask about my leg and how my leg was doing, and I titled this video "The Scar." So I'm going to show you. If you don't want to see it, then click away now and check back on my next video. But some people have asked, I don't care, let me see it. I'm like, I didn't even want to see it. But anyway, click off if you don't want to see it. And it is just a scar. Like maybe just a little bitty scab left. So the accident was July 5th. No, July 6th is when I hurt my leg. And it's just been, gosh, maybe 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks since the big scar. I had a scab about that big that would never fall off, and it was real thick, so I wasn't gonna mess with it. I was just gonna wait until it did its thing, because I didn't want to pull it off and have a big old sore gash or whatever. But when it did fall off, there was still a stitch in my leg. So I'm thankful that didn't get infected underneath that scab. So I was able to get some tweezers and pull that out. But anyway, so this is, let's see, the accident was July 6th, and today is it's October. October 11th, I think. 10th or 11th. So, all right, I'm going to show you and kind of compare it, because if you look at my leg, and then compare it to my other ankle, because I got skinny little ankles. I got skinny wrist and skinny ankles. But, oh well, let's just show it and get this video over with. I just filmed I didn't film it. I just shot that whole video of me showing my leg, and I didn't turn the camera on. So now let's do it again. I guess I should say that what happened, in case I have new viewers or people that don't know what I did. So on July 6th, we were working in Deborah's shed, and we were putting up paneling. Well, it's gonna be a casita. It is a casita now, but we were putting up paneling on the walls, and 8 sheets of paneling fell and went down my shin on one leg. Thankfully, it wasn't 2 legs. And so that's what happened. I ended up getting 10 stitches in my leg. And so anyway, that's what happened. So now I'm going to show you the scar. It kind of started right here, and somehow it slid down this part of my leg, and then there's the scar. And then about right in here, it started opening up, and it ended up pushing my skin down, and they had to pull my skin back up, and I got 10 stitches across this way. And this is still bruised all in here. This is what still hurts. And if you look at my ankle is, this all in here is swollen. I've got this divot right here. I don't know if you can tell, but all this is still swollen. I don't know if I guess it may be like that forever. I'm not really sure. It seems like the swelling on this side of the ankle has gone down. Just for comparison. This and this ankle. And I won't be able to do the other side. But I got skinny ankles. Skinny little feet. So if you put them side by side, I don't know if you can really tell or not. But anyway. So, you can't really see this bone except from down here. But I got this divot here. It's kind of kind of doesn't have feeling right in here. Maybe that will come back. I don't know. I've got feeling in here. It's kind of still hard, which is weird. Just big and bruised still deep in that muscle. Like if the dog's tails hit it or something, that's kind of hurts. But anyway, there is the scar. Just have a little bitty spot right there, but that's what it looks like. Yeah. It's I don't know. Can you see that discoloration right there? Yeah, it's sore still. But there's a shot looking at it that way. Anyway, that was the scar. I mean, I'm sure, and I switched between, I don't know why, but coconut oil feels really good on it, but I put vitamin E oil on it, and just still babying it, and because it hurts if it gets hit. But I'm just so thankful every time I think about it and what could have happened. You know, it could have broke my ankle. It could have broke my leg in that area. It could have broke my ankle. It could have broke my foot. It could have come down on top of my foot. I mean, it just could have hit both legs. I mean, just so many things could have been so much worse. And I'm just thankful that that it didn't break anything or sprain anything, and that I could walk, and that it's healed. I never got it never got infected. So anyway, so there it is. I don't know that I'll do another update unless it looks really, really good. But who knows? There's the update on my leg injury. I'm going to put on my shoes. Did I mention that? Yeah, I don't think that I'm still in my tennis shoes. I can't, and I haven't tried putting my boots on because my hiking boots come up over the ankle. I just can't even fathom it touching that swollen part of my ankle. So I'm still in tennis shoes, and I still am wearing these socks that I cut, so I don't have that elastic around there, because when I try that, it is really tight and it feels like it's cutting off the circulation. Very uncomfortable. So I cut up about 6 or 7 pairs of socks and been wearing those, but maybe someday I'll try my hiking boots. But just that thought is like, no, it's still too sore to do that.